vision for aha Ghana TV GH. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turning on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Yet why I say so? His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or Assembly Ayɛka ye youth. Mebo ama muna mwati why? John Mahama ni nekasa.
Construction industry, 500,000, $500,000 a year. Now they bring it be a welder, it be an electrician, it be a tipper driver, it be a bulldozer driver, it be engineers, it be a technicians.
E wish for John Mahama ababio. John Mahama ababio. Say on nekasa no. John Mahama se okoye national tour nyesa. Na sa national tour okoye no. Oko inspect ye project a ekoso. Enyesa sana John Mahama ka kire nyina. Na sa community engagement ni mu na John Mahama. Ye o mampini ka kire ze. Nkrofo a omuye aban djuma no. Omo hu kire omo brutal. President no. The hope no. I say right now we Ghana ha no. Nkrofo amuye aban djuma no. Omo na omo hu kire omo sene obia. And I ask myself, say, so it is true that John Mahama is excellency. Adia, Juma odi die ye Ghana for no nim. And yes, so nimo. It's not as if our president does not know what is happening. It's not as if our president does not know, say, next is for for 14 months, no. It's not as if our president does not know, say, Ghana Railway Workers Authority Workers Association muka for 14 months no. Onim ni nyina and he is proud of it. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is proud that he is able to keep Ghanaians hungry. Now even these Ghanaians that he is keeping hungry no, omaye juma e bo omai no. Omaye juma di bo e bo omai no. You John Mahama brana war position no. You were shouting say a man for haircut. Yes sir. And if that haircut no, na nye share anya haircut biasa o. Na ye on your profit nya we principal. But Mahama they are propaganda. TM. And now John Mahama wa be o mampeni no. Uka say nkofo amu adwuma wa ban sector no omu hu nchire omu. Yes, omu hu nchire omu. Ade na omu hu nchire omu. Se hu ntu amuka, se omu nya sika bia, enti omu hu nchire omu. And then next is for bebre wo ho a amye manesses na. E se omu koye hook up. Asa na omenya bibiedi. And then next is for bebre wo ho a omu pese omu trip now, but by force se omu trip na so that they can get something to eat. Nurses bebre wo ho say no na omunye humanizer so but you say omunye humanizer adentia e so kwa akoso ko de anopa na ewia na wako ama ho enwumre na wako efia ho enye say they themselves wanted but the situation they have found themselves in because for 14 good months 1 year 2 months abayin tuamuka na omampenia order omani ni mu no or see onim say kofo no ehun chiri omo enti wo a ko school no ye wadwin say uwie school na uba be kponkpo by day construction juma omampenia obema wo hope no omampenia obeka chiro say oh ye di nyama mienu baku mienu bi e di tu ho na say ebe implement ya edi juma be bremu no sa omampeni ka kira o se uko school se ya ye wadwin se uwie school na uba be pongpo by day. Mun say Ghana for mun say ato ababoni. Ye kase elections biano what implications are. These are the things we are speaking about. And yes, sir, ebia MPP for na ye pese oh ye pese internal power mo wanted to retain power. Debut. Now ye share say on my way who will be the best to lead us into our promised land? Because on my ye mame, ye ma wonso a wo hwe me. Ebia obi wa brochire, but onu owobusuanfo wa ha. That is why Nkrofo na mo abrochire almost 24 hours in every day. They are alive, almost share more experience before the election. They were sharing their experience with you so that Ghanaians will not go and make mistake. But changing and try, makwa mistake no. Nyakupo anim enti your mama okopiki number no okopiki 8 so that baby obewo listen so no emu be trick akra but still Ghana form ko hwehwe sa number 8 am ko tuma no. And then president will say you should be ready to do pongpo. But I think God is saying. Or say you should be ready to do what? Pongpo by day. And who are we here a youth? Now, boss I tape cry ko enema. Or see, who we senior high school no ye. And your biana or be senior high school be call university. And to me we senior high school there. Pek pongpo be ye. Mahama no your Mahama is excellent no. And yes, your opposition leader on na your man penny. Or see, who we senior high school no ye. And your bia never call a university. Munim the entire. Because when who say I can't make a promise be say obe chi Nkrofo school fees or university. Sa school fees no on tia papa bia. Sa school fees our promise Nkrofo on tia papa bia. Obi admission fee 11,000. Who man 2,000 say who chia ni school fees. Doesn't make any sense no. But sa sika kete your mama in person Nkrofo ko university bio. And you not blame him. I will not blame him because I said, "Oh no, kasa ni ba mu kra mu pe school." Mi boa, your mama ni ba, his children. I'm say mu pe school, and you understand why he will come and be encouraging us say, wa ko senior square ye, ko pe pompo bi ye. That is the president we have in this country. Oh man, penino no, the hope, no. And then mita kando. Oh yeah, Minister of Health. I catch the unemployed graduate nurses. And obia what follow Ghana kind of saying politics I check a crano. The word and I said the phrase unemployed graduate nurses no. It should sound a bell. And yes sir. Na ebusian fomu say ye gada say na ye ka nyansa sema na aso todewe because siafobi bakubi aye friend Queen Senam na bet you paying 38%. Kire say NDC there the moment uko join pe unyama nyina be fa left anti Queen Senam we have seen say waba why you have seen bakubi swasaba VI Nas or see your mother. And this is for no. And this is for no. Oko shani deep is a ni tan. Queen Sanam any Venus no. Mu de mu boa mu kosha mu pages. Mu tan. And this is for no.